So I got a phone call from him. He's telling me that I got a package from Russia. I mean, what the? And then it hits me. Back last year in October, I was approached by a Russian guitar company on an endorsement deal. Of course, I said yes. So the guitar was supposed to arrive in November, but it never came. So I waiting, and then I contacted them. So they investigated on their part, and probably the guitar is lost during shipment. I'm not sure. And then today, to my pleasant surprise, it's here! Let's unbox this thing.